Imagine you've just ordered a brand new Tesla, a sleek, electric marvel. You've been eagerly awaiting its arrival, dreaming of cruising down the highway in style. But then, a nagging question pops into your head: will it actually be delivered right to your doorstep? Have you ever wondered if Tesla's commitment to innovation extends to its delivery process? Let's find out. Tesla, with its reputation for cutting-edge technology and a focus on sustainability, has revolutionized the automotive industry. But does this revolutionary spirit translate to their delivery services? To answer this question, we'll delve into the intricacies of Tesla's delivery process, from the moment you place your order to the exciting day your new car arrives. The journey begins when you place your Tesla order. You'll be asked to provide your location and preferred delivery date. Tesla's sophisticated system will then assess the feasibility of delivering to your specific address, taking into account factors such as accessibility, local infrastructure, and any potential restrictions. Once your order is confirmed, Tesla will provide you with an estimated delivery window. This window gives you a general idea of when to expect your car, allowing you to plan accordingly. However, it's important to note that delivery dates can sometimes fluctuate due to unforeseen circumstances, such as production delays or shipping complications. As your delivery date approaches, you'll receive regular updates from Tesla, keeping you informed about the progress of your order. This includes information about the car's production status, its shipment from the factory, and its estimated arrival time in your area. When your Tesla is ready for delivery, you'll be contacted by a Tesla representative to schedule a convenient time. The representative will coordinate with you to ensure that someone will be available to receive the car and sign the necessary paperwork. On delivery day, a Tesla delivery specialist will arrive at your location with your new car. They will take you through the features and functionalities of your vehicle, ensuring that you're comfortable and confident driving it. The specialist will also assist you with setting up your Tesla account and activating any additional features you may have purchased. While Tesla strives to deliver your car directly to your doorstep, there may be instances where this isn't possible. For example, if you live in a remote area with limited road access, Tesla may need to coordinate with a local delivery partner to transport your car to a nearby location for pickup. Additionally, there may be specific restrictions or regulations in your area that prevent direct home delivery. In such cases, Tesla will work with you to find a suitable alternative, such as delivering the car to a nearby Tesla service center or a designated pickup location. Tesla is committed to providing a seamless and enjoyable delivery experience for its customers. They understand that the excitement of receiving a new car is unparalleled, and they strive to make the process as smooth as possible. If you encounter any issues or have concerns during the delivery process, Tesla's customer support team is readily available to assist you. They can provide information, address any problems, and ensure that your delivery experience is positive. So, does Tesla deliver to your house? The answer is generally yes, but there may be exceptions depending on your location and specific circumstances. With its efficient delivery process, regular updates, and commitment to customer satisfaction, Tesla aims to make the experience of owning a Tesla as hassle-free as possible. So, if you're considering purchasing a Tesla, rest assured that you can expect a smooth and enjoyable delivery process. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.